Hi everyone, my name is Jake Wozniak. I work here at Cadillac of Austin, and I'm here to show you how to pair your phone to the new 2024 XT4. First step is, on your home screen, you want to locate the phone icon. Once you tap it open, you'll go into your phone in your settings and go to Bluetooth. From here, you'll want to tap Manage Phones, and then Add Phone where the plus sign is. Next, you want to look for the Cadillac word underscore 7265 to populate in your Bluetooth settings. Tap. You want to pair from the phone, pair in the screen, and allow your contacts. In a few moments, it's going to load up the phone onto the screen for you. With one more notification, update contact names. You want to allow. Let the Bluetooth pairing run its course. And there you are. You're connected for Bluetooth. And there you have it. Your phone is now paired to the 2024 XT4. If you have additional questions for any assistance, please call our dealership number 512-583-3000 and ask for Jake.